How AI marketing is changing the game for entrepreneurs. Artificial intelligence has the potential to completely transform your business. It can be used for anything from customer service to sales, and is also simple to set up. Artificial intelligence is already being used in some industries, but is only now becoming common in small business. What every entrepreneur needs to know about artificial intelligence. In today's video, we are looking at some of the best ways artificial intelligence can help you as an entrepreneur. Remember to watch the video till the end, and subscribe for more. Here we begin. Artificial intelligence is a computer system that can perform tasks that humans normally find too difficult. It is currently the most advanced technology, used in a variety of industries. AI systems can learn independently from their surroundings, which makes them extremely valuable for your business. AI programs are designed to solve problems independently by gathering information and performing tasks. They can quickly analyze large amounts of data and make decisions based on patterns they've discovered over time. Deep learning. Deep learning is a more specialized version of machine learning that uses neural networks to perform nonlinear reasoning. Deep learning is required for more advanced functions such as fraud detection. It accomplishes this simply by analyzing a wide range of factors. For self-driving cars, for example, several factors must be identified, analyzed, and responded to simultaneously. Deep learning algorithms assist self-driving cars in contextualizing information picked up by their sensors, such as the distance to other objects, speed of movement, and a prediction of where they will be in 5 to 10 seconds. Machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most common types of AI currently being developed for business purposes. Machine learning is primarily used to process large amounts of data. Artificial intelligence algorithms appear to learn over time. More data should improve the modeling of a machine learning algorithm. Machine learning can help humans understand vast amounts of data increasingly captured by connected devices in the Internet of Things. For example, your machinery is most likely network connected if you perform and manage a manufacturing plant. Connected devices continuously send data about functionality, production, and other topics to a central location. Unfortunately, this is far too much data for humans to sift through. Machine learning can analyze data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies. For example, a machine learning algorithm can detect when a machine in a manufacturing plant is operating at reduced capacity, and notify decision makers that it is time to dispatch a preventative maintenance team. The best use for artificial intelligence. AI is a valuable tool for entrepreneurs, particularly in the digital age. As artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, it will assist you in exponentially growing your business. Here are 3 ways AI can assist you in succeeding. Data entry automation. Another way AI can assist you in running your business more effectively is through automated data entry. Data entry into a spreadsheet is time-consuming. Tasks like this are frequently forgotten or postponed until they are required later when deadlines are approaching. Predictive modeling. Predictive analytics is another advantage of artificial intelligence. It assists you in predicting what will happen next, allowing you to make informed decisions about how to strategically run your business. Predictive analytics can also be used for sales and marketing, making it a valuable tool for any entrepreneur's arsenal. Customer care. Customer service is an excellent application of AI in small businesses. AI can quickly identify when customers are looking for and efficiently solve their problems. For example, if your customer service representatives are having difficulty keeping up with all your customers' requests, artificial intelligence may be the solution. Which industries are using AI? According to a recent Techque survey, most businesses use AI for customer service. Artificial intelligence is also widely used in retail and banking. AI can help your business in various ways, and those industries only scratch the surface. Artificial intelligence benefits customer service by enabling agents to quickly resolve customer issues. It is beneficial for everything from chatbots to voice commands. It is also extremely useful for marketing and sales. Marketers, for example, rely on AI to better understand the prospects and identify new leads who meet their requirements. In addition, salespeople frequently use it to create complex deals without having to negotiate with individual customers. Let's take digital marketing, for example. In 2021, the global AI market was expected to be worth around $191 billion and generate $2.9 trillion in revenue. AI will expand at a 33% annual rate until 2027. By 2027, 80% of retail executives expect to use AI-powered automation. AI is already a mainstream technology, 86% of CEOs' offices in 2021. However, 75% of executives are concerned about failing to scale AI within 5 years. The bottom line is business leaders must fully embrace AI or risk losing competitiveness. Contrarily, marketers must integrate AI into their marketing to improve sales, competitiveness, customer experience, and productivity. What benefits does AI hold in marketing? Using AI to process data and automate marketing increases conversions while decreasing market time and resources. Lower marketing costs while increasing conversions. Each marketing tactic demonstrates one thing: using AI in marketing to interpret customer data improves productivity. It helps you save time, money, and resources while increasing your sales and conversions. Furthermore, AI helps you retain more customers by providing a better brand experience. The ability of AI to improve your ROI by gathering data and providing powerful insights will become increasingly important shortly. Increase engagement through personalized marketing. Your customers take various actions on your website, revealing information about their desires, wants, and goals. This marketing gold can be used to personalize your marketing and boost conversions, and your customers expect it. AI-powered sale predictions can help you close more deals. AI is a crystal ball, and marketing software has been using it to help businesses better understand what is driving their sales. AI in business today. Artificial intelligence is generally regarded as a supplement to, rather than a replacement for, human intelligence and ingenuity. Although AI is currently incapable of performing common sense tasks in the real world, it can process and analyze massive amounts of data much faster than the human brain. This artificial intelligence software can then present the user with synthesized courses of action. As a result, we can use AI to help game out the potential outcomes of each action and streamline the decision-making process. These characteristics make AI extremely valuable in various industries, whether simply assisting visitors and employees with navigating a corporate campus or performing a task as complex as monitoring a wind turbine to predict when it will require repairs. The future of AI. AI is beginning to make what was once thought impossible possible, such as driverless cars. Driverless cars are only a reality due to access to training data and fast GPUs, both of which are key enablers. A massive amount of accurate data is required to train driverless cars, and speed is critical to the driving process. Processors were too slow 5 years ago, but the introduction of GPUs has made it all possible. Fast processes and a large amount of clean data are critical to the success of AI. Dr. Nathan Wilson, co-founder and CTO of Neuralogix, believes AI is on the verge of revolutionizing everyday entertainment and activities such as dining. For example, Wilson predicted that a restaurant could use AI to determine which music to play based on the guest's interest in attendance. Artificial intelligence could even change the appearance of the wallpaper based on what the technology predicts the crowd's aesthetic preferences will be. If that's not far enough, experts predict that AI will liberate digital technology from the two-dimensional, screen-imprisoned form to which people have grown accustomed. Instead, he believes that the primary user interface will be the physical environment of which an individual lives. To play a game, interact with a website, or read an ebook, we've always relied on two-dimensional display. With AI and a combination of, the display will no longer be the primary interface, the environment will be. As a result, people will create experiences around them, whether in connected buildings or boardrooms. These will be 3D experiences that you can feel. So that's all about how AI marketing is changing the game for entrepreneurs. Let us know your views in the comments below, and subscribe for more.